Hey guys, Z-Man here from 360 North. We're here in beautiful Lake Winnipeg at Rockies, and I'm standing here together with Heather Hill, who's the manager from Rockies. We're here to talk to you about our You the North sled poker run, which is happening on February 10th, 2018 in support of Northern Cancer Foundation. Heather?
10% of all our food sales from that day will be going to the cause.
Right guys, and it's for the cause. Once again, this is for Northern Cancer Foundation, and if you come out on that day, our first prize is going to be $1,000 cash. Second prize is a Husqvarna chainsaw, probably provided by Valley Outdoor and Equipment, and our third prize is going to be a 360 North prize pack. So stay tuned, come on out, support the great cause. Also, while you're here, you can bring out the entire family. We're going to have skating on Lake Winnipeg. We're also going to have sliding. Okay guys, you can register on our website at 360north.com. Check us out on Facebook for any additional information. Also come out, have some great food that's going to be provided by Rockies. For those of you that are registered, the spaghetti meal is included. So the only question we have left for you guys is, are you the North? Come support the great cause. Thanks, and see you there. You can register for this event at 360north.com. Check out our Facebook page for any additional information. Just keep it around it.